Well, today is the last day Rod has to go to work. He is retiring. And I've been telling everybody, because there's a snowstorm coming in tonight, that I'm going to be happy when he gets home, because I'm going to worry until he gets home because of the snow that's supposed to come in late tonight. So we figured out, though, he's going to have a little bit of a rough time going to work, too. Not just coming home. This is what we woke up to this morning. And it's still snowing. So, yeah. I'm going to worry about him getting to work, too. Talk to you later.